Hey there, my name's Laura. Thanks for joining me. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to do some scratch art. So, I've taken my little black piece of cardboard out of the plastic and also my pen, which I'm going to use to scratch away the black on the card. And I think there might be a few more things underneath this black. So let's have a little go. So I'm using my pointy side of the plastic pen and I'm going to scratch out the first little red rosy cheek of my little Spider-Man. So it looks like there's red under here. How cool is that? As you can see, I've scratched out the two eyes and the cheeks and the nose, and I'm in the middle of scratching out the mouth. But what I've discovered is if I turn my pen around, I can use the slightly wider end of this pen to scratch a bit more broadly. I'll show you. The wider end of the pen, and I'm just using it to scratch that out. Now I'm staying inside the lines because I'm a bit of a boring person, but if you want to, you can go wherever you want. Next, I'm going to do the legs. Now I've just started on this first one here, and look, there's green underneath. I wonder what other colours there'll be underneath the black. Look at my multicoloured spider that I've just uncovered from all that black. There's colours, there's blue, there's purple, there's red, there's green, there's yellow, all the colours. It's almost like he's dressed up and ready for a party or something like that. Now, you can do exactly this if you come into the library and pick one of these kits up. There are all kinds of different little creatures. I've also got here a little dinosaur one too. And so you can come in, pick one up and discover what colours are underneath your ones. And then you can either stick them on the wall, or you can even bring them back into the library to come and show us your beautiful work. Hope you're having a great school holidays, and we hope to see you in the library soon.